Today, I'm diving into the delightful world of chocolate cake. First, let's gather our ingredients: flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, eggs, milk, and of course, butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a bowl, mix the dry ingredients together, then add the wet ones, whisk until it's smooth and luscious. Pour that rich batter into greased cake pans and bake for about 30 minutes. While that's baking, let's whip up a beautiful frosting. Cream together butter and powdered sugar, then add cocoa powder and a splash of milk for that perfect consistency. Once the cakes are cool, stack them high, spreading that velvety frosting between each layer. Don't forget to frost the top and sides, making it as pretty as a picture. For a final touch, sprinkle some chocolate shavings or fresh berries on top. There you have it, a stunning chocolate cake that's sure to impress. Happy baking!